Everything you need to know about Google Ads in 3 minutes or less. I'm Jyll Saskin Gales, a Google Ads coach, and we're talking about video views campaigns. In Google Ads, there's a lot of different campaign types, and one of them is a video campaign, often called a YouTube campaign, but it's not just for YouTube ads. When you choose a video campaign in Google Ads, you then have to choose one of half a dozen or so video campaign subtypes, and one of those subtypes is a video views campaign. The key thing that sets the subtype apart is that you bid for views on a target CPV strategy, which means the goal of this campaign is, you guessed it, getting video views. You might not realize that a view in Google Ads is not the same as a view on other platforms. It's a highly engaged action. For a skippable in-stream video ad, which is your typical video ad you think of on YouTube where you wait for the skip ad to appear, a view counts when the user watches at least 30 seconds of the ad, or the end of the ad, or whichever comes first. Considering that skip ad button pops up after 5 seconds, a 30-second view is quite long. For shorts ads, the threshold is 10 seconds, or the end of the ad, whichever comes first. And then for an in-feed ad, which is where your thumbnail shows, a view counts when the user clicks to view your video, meaning they're essentially choosing to watch your ad, or if they watch your video ad autoplay for at least 10 seconds. What's cool about views on YouTube is you can build a Your Data segment to then remarket to people who have viewed your videos, not people who just saw it on an impression basis, but who actually viewed it. And that's where one of the major powers of a video views campaign lies. You can use it to reach a wide range of people within your target audience and then remarket to those who have chosen to view your video. But audience targeting isn't the only thing available in a video views campaign. You have all of Google's audience and content targeting options available. For content, that means topics, keywords, and placements. And for audiences, that means Google's audiences, your data segments, as well as custom, combined, etc. When you're creating any kind of video campaign in Google Ads, don't forget your ABCDs. This is Google's own data-backed guidance on how to create effective video ads for YouTube. In a nutshell, you want to grab attention, brand early and often, create an emotional connection, and direct your audience to take action. I found the most success with video views campaigns when I use them as part of an overall Google Ads strategy. Because you're paying per view, you can get pretty wide reach, much cheaper than in a similar format like search or even demand gen. But because conversion is not the goal, do not expect to get a lot of conversions from your video views campaigns. Got a question about video views campaigns? Drop a comment to let us know.